Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where Bluetooth is grayed out on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to restart the computer and the router. Okay, I'll tell you about restarting the computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then select restart and also restart the router. The next solution is to run the Bluetooth troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot and select other troubleshooters. Click on run corresponding to the Bluetooth troubleshooter. The next solution is to check the status of Bluetooth related services. There are a lot of them. So search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to the Bluetooth service. Bluetooth audio gateway service. Right click on it and select restart. Right click on the Bluetooth support service and select restart. And finally, right click on the Bluetooth user support service and also select restart. Okay, so after this, update Bluetooth adapter drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list of Bluetooth adapters. Right click on the MediaTek one, select update drivers and search automatically for drivers. And lastly, you can check troubleshoot the problem in the clean boot state. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.